Hello, how are you this morning? Okay, I'm a mess here, don't I? But here's the cute Christmas card we're gonna do. It's sweet. And then there's a verse inside. Okay, so let's get started. You will need one red cardstock and one envelope per card. So if you're doing a set of 20, remember to grab 4 red and 4 envelopes. And we're just gonna fold this in half. This will be a really super quick card for you. Then you're gonna choose one of these strips, and they're double-sided, so you can choose whichever one you want. Okay, I think, yeah, I'm gonna go with the stripes. Let's just see what the stripes look like. And then, right here, I buried them. All right, and so then you have a choice. You can use 3 of the small or 1 large cookie. I called these cookies because they were cookies. And so, like I used 1 large one on here. Use the gingerbread mitten, but I'm going to use these small ones on this card, okay? Just so you can see the difference. All right, now, so 1 big or 3 small, and the 3 smalls, I cut them out so they're on 1 sheet or they're paper clipped together. And then you're going to need 2 buttons. I call these buttons because I tried to punch out the design in the center. Now they're not all like that. Some of them are just background paper, or you could use pretty. So it's, you can choose whatever you want. So as you can see on this one, they kind of look like little buttons. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is glue our strip on. And you could change up this card if you want to. In fact, I'm gonna change this design up just so you can see it. I'm gonna put my strip here. So they don't all have to be the same. You can do a strip, and the strips are going to be longer because I cut this out of 6x6 paper. And then and don't fall in love with this because it was last year's paper that we never got to use. All right, so I'm going to put the strip here this time, and then I'm going to quickly cut out these cookies. So, have you started your Christmas shopping? I did last weekend. We were at Cracker Barrel and we found some really great things, and so I got my Christmas shopping started. How about your Christmas craft making? You got that started? I do not. I've got a pile. And so I have a 3-day weekend. Yay. Thank you to the vets. This week. And so I'm going to chill at home and try and get as much as I can. I was going to go to a quilt retreat, but it filled before I could go. So, and the quilt retreat, I thought I would just work on gifts instead of the quilt that they were gonna share. I can always do that another time because I would have gotten the pattern, but that's all right. Stay home, just as good, right? Alright, so now I have these 3 little things out. Okay, so the rest of this is really quite simple. So I'm going to change the card up a little bit. I need pop dots. And so all of these are pop dotted. So I'm going to go ahead and put these, oops, that one came weird. pulled the paper off instead of the whole thing. All right, so I have those pop dotted. And then for the little buttons, you kind of need those little weenie pop dots. And I think I'm just gonna have to cut little weenie pieces and pop those on. Okay, there we go. Now I've got everything ready. Okay, so for the stamping, we're going to use the espresso ink, and there's inside verse and an outside verse. And thinking of you at Christmas time, I'm going to stamp here, down here on the bottom, okay? And then my inside greetings. Oh, fiddle-dee-dee. Do you look what happened? I laid that right in there. Okay. Thanks for being one of the greatest gifts. Isn't that sweet? All right, so then we're going to add our, I'm going to start in the middle. I'm looking at the colors. Yeah, I'm going to start in the middle with one, and then add the other two. And they're not straight on the ribbon. They're a little up, down, and off. I didn't put my pop dots on very good, did I? I got a little hangover. I kind of feel like I got a little hangover this morning. My throat's all bleh. Doesn't really hurt. I'm just talking rough. I think it's allergies still. Okay, so then we're going to add the buttons in a couple of spots. Oh no, I'm not crazy. I'll use the, oh, I guess I better pull the back off, huh? Oh, if that's the case, I'll do that one there. Undo this one here. There we go. That's it. So super simple. I think the longest part will be cutting out, and then you have your envelope. Okay. All right. Well, we have some more to do, so let's get with it. I'll be right back.